But hope you understood, this was wrong. Out of the blue, the ideas are coming and they are not justified. So in the exam also, out of the blue, marks will come. You expect 8, it's gonna be 6. Hey everybody, Nakul from Skills IELTS. Well, I'm back with day 8 of the video series Essay Review and Solutions with Nakul. I really hope you finished watching all the previous set of video in this series. If you have not watched, the same links have been shared in the description. You can check them out later. Well, if looking for an online course, we do the essay review on a daily basis. Like if you're interested in pursuing that, you can always check the information right on the screen. We have shared the Gmail ID and the WhatsApp number. You can send us a mail or text us to the WhatsApp number any point of time to avail the service. Well, today I've taken an essay written by you guys for the day 6 video series. A person named Hash, I really don't know how to pronounce it. H was the name written there. I've taken the same essay and I'm going to show you what are the mistakes in that essay and how to get 8 band from that essay. So without wasting any time, let's quickly start with day 8 of the video series Essay Review and Solutions with Nakul. So I'm going to give you 2 minutes to review the essay written by Hash. Suppose that I'm going to come back and give an explanation. Well, I really hope you've finished reviewing that. So let me show you my version for the same. So this was the question. Stress-related illness are becoming increasingly common. What do you think of the causes? A very straightforward question. Body paragraph 1. So this is the structure you're going to use. Para 1 going to be, you're going to talk about the same thing and then say this essay will discuss the causes and then followed by solutions. Para 2, you will discuss the causes as asked in the question. Para 3, you will discuss the solutions, and the para 4, you will just summarize whatever you have written in the para 2 and the para 3. I hope there is no doubt on this. So this is what the person has written. In today's world of advancement, we are coming across a lot of sickness, and the reason in consideration is stress. This essay will discuss the possible causes of stress-related illness followed by solutions to the same problem. Done and dusted. Don't have to say this essay will talk about these many causes, this cause followed by this solution. Really not required. Well, no offense in writing it, you'll just end up spending a lot of time, isn't it? So write less. I'm telling you, write less. Use all your time and energy to the body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2, that is para 2 and para 3. So not many mistakes in the para 1. So let's quickly start with the para 2. So here is where the actual problem lies. Nowadays people practice unusual working hours, consequently embracing unhealthy lifestyle. The main idea is The question is, what are the causes for stress related illness? His main idea is unusual working hours idea is precise. But if your coherence, cohesion, that means the articulation of the idea, if that is not proper, most probably you're not gonna get 7 for it. So let's understand what mistakes Mr. H, let's call him Mr. H, Mr. H has done. In balancing between work burden and performing better to compete with fellow colleagues, they work in office hours as well as spend all of their free time towards work completion and subsequently become careless regarding eating habits. Don't you think this is not written very clearly? They work in office hours, all their free time, as a result, they will not have any free time to take care of themselves. The consequences of this, one of the consequences is their eating patterns get disturbed. They're supposed to eat at, let's say, 9 o'clock a.m. in the morning for the breakfast, they skip the breakfast. See, there is a way to narrate it, isn't it so? That has not been done. They work in office hours, they don't have time in work completion and become careless regarding eating habits. Directly, you're shooting a point which is not so clear. For example, researchers suggest, see, never write this research told, Oxford University told, you will not likely gonna get marks for it, for just stating thing by cooking up something on your own. Write on your own, no? Which I'm going to show you how to do that in just a while. For example, researchers suggest, not suggests, researchers is plural, suggest that a lot of people who desire for high paying job, well, the previous line did not even talk about high paying job, who desire for high paying job, they focus. Pay more attention, there is a grammar mistake there. For example, researchers suggest that a lot of people who desire for this focus, again they is not required. People is they, people who is a dependent clause there. Hope you are getting it. A lot of people who desire for it will focus. They is wrong, you should remove the word they. A lot of people who desire for high paying job focus crucially on work that will not fetch you any mark, and in this instance eat a lot of junk food. Well, in this instance they eat a lot of salads. I mean, both of them are fitting in. What is your justification there that they will eat junk only? Not written. Hope you are getting it. It's not linked to the question and the main idea. Prolonged working hours will lead to eating junk food. Not clearly explained, man. Not clearly. Junk food you eat because you are not aware of it. Junk food you eat because you don't have time. No. If you don't have time, you order a salad also. Correct? So this is not actually fitting in. The articulation has the problem. That is, coherence, cohesion has the problem. And adapt sedentary lifestyle. Not clear. The person is just shooting points, not one by one coming up, but it's not justified. This result in their physical, how sedentary lifestyle will result in physical mental suffering. Nakul, you don't know that? Sedentary lifestyle means you will not be active. If you are not active, it leads to a lot of other problems. Because of that, your mental, physical, everything will suffer. You don't know that? Then the person has to write that. The person has left it to the imagination of the examiner. See, what I am telling you is person has some things in the mind which the person has not written. It is right there in his mind. I'm pretty sure he has a good knowledge, but he has not delivered it. Adapt sedentary lifestyle. All of a sudden junk food came. All of a sudden sedentary lifestyle came. This result in their physical and mental suffering, and perhaps makes a stressful situation which they fail to cope up with. The question is stress related illness. Not even written anything. Not even a single word is written about stress related illness. Hope you are getting it. Though it looks nice, but for the question asked, this is not the answer. Hope you are getting it. So this will not fetch him any marks. So how to do that? Let's have a look at this. People usually practice, same thing I have taken, not much of the changes until half of the paragraph. Nowadays people practice unusual working hours, consequently embracing unhealthy lifestyle. This is also my main idea. This means in balancing between work burden and performing better, they work in office hours as well as spend all of their free time in work completion leading to a stressful lifestyle. See, if you pay more attention, this also till stressful lifestyle is the same. To compete with colleagues and all, few words in the third line I removed. Almost they work in office hours as well as spend all of their time in work completion and subsequently lead a stressful lifestyle is what I have written. He told and subsequently become careless regarding eating habits. Out of nowhere, eating habits came, which was wrong. Hope you are getting it. So here, in work completion leading to a stressful lifestyle. Now I'll talk about stressful lifestyle. That is the question. For example, now next set of lines will only talk about how working long hours will lead to stressful lifestyle. Very simple. Due to prolonged working hours. That is my main idea. Read the first line, unusual working hours. So due to prolonged working hours, sometimes an employee hardly manages time for himself. When a person hardly manages time for himself, what happens? Non-uniform sleep patterns. You can talk more about it. A person is supposed to sleep at 8, or like 11 p.m. in the night, start sleeping at 3 a.m. in the midnight. Because of that, what can happen? So in that way, you should bring about your thoughts. This often leads to non-uniform sleeping patterns, eating patterns, and complete absence from active lifestyle. So now talk more about it. Non-uniform sleep patterns, what is going to happen from that? Eating patterns, what is going to happen from that? Absence from active lifestyle, what is going to happen from that? All these are linked to stress related illness. That is the question. Hope you are getting it. While lack of sleep may elevate stress levels and random eating pattern causes gastritis or related issues, sedentary lifestyle can invite more deadly diseases such as obesity and hypertension. That is the question. The answer, yes, it is happening because of unusual working hours. But Mr. H has not justified it clearly. Coherence cohesion problem, which also lead to low score in task response. I have also picked up the same thing. Half of it I have copied, but for example I changed. And now it is looking good, and this is talking to the question. Hope you understand. If you don't agree with this, kindly do comment in the comment section. I'm ready for the battle. Alright, so let's start with next para. Solutions. Maintaining an optimum work-life balance and opting for a healthy dietary habits mitigate, control the chances of stress-related illness. Beautiful point. But let's see if the person has articulated it. How optimum work-life balance will help? How opting for healthier dietary habits will help? If a person works with full devotion and dedication in committed working hours, he will be for sure able to acquire healthy eating. How? Not written. It is just right in his mind. First line talks about work-life balance. Second line talks about working with full devotion and dedication. There is no link at all. Hope you are getting it. There is no link between first line and the second line. For example, third line. Presentation on public health education showed proportional relationship between effective eating and good working. Some random guy, some Tom, Dick and Harry told, why you want to cook that story up? 100% wrong. The person is just writing it. Examiner will know. The for example is completely wrong. Don't write such survey example. Someone told this. You write from your experience, your thoughts. So entire till now whatever is written will not fetch a mark. First line talks about optimum work-life balance. Second line talks about dedication in working, committed, full devotion and dedication in committed working hours will lead to acquire healthy eating. How? Not told. Will able to acquire basic physical activities. Not told how. Then for example is wrong. Therefore working like a machine may possibly prove detrimental to one's being. Where it is told, we don't know. Comma is wrong. Nevertheless is not a connector. Fanboys are connectors. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. They are connectors. Nevertheless is not a connector. So put a full stop. Nevertheless, a significant ratio between work, physical activity and eating may lead to stress-free life. How? Not told. Some survey told. That is not, that's not how you can write. Some survey told this, so it is correct. No, entire thing is wrong, though the question is very simple. Should talk about the causes for hypertension, diabetes or any stress-related disease, gastritis. And talk about solutions. Maintain a work-life balance. Take some gap. Finish off the work. Don't worry too much about it. Make sure you leave the office after working for 8 hours. Come back, have time with your family. Correct? Work-life balance. That's going to be the main idea. Or office can introduce some mandatory sports events. Any solution you can talk so that there is a break from the work. That's how it has to be written. So I'll give you some ideas. Work-life balance should be maintained. And now continue talking how work-life balance will help. Due to this, one gets time to spend with family and with oneself. Because of that, it can help a person make time for any sports activity, recreational activity, and spend time with their family or friends, which can be a primary factor in reducing the stress. That is the question. You can write with that, or you can take up one more idea in the second paragraph I have written. In addition, introducing vacations or team outing from office once a month, or taking the employees for a team lunch can greatly enhance one's mental well-being, will help in reduce stress. How? Talk. This not only gives a break but also allows people to have a fun time, which can make a huge difference to stress related illness. For example, introducing a team lunch will do these things. Because of this, a person's stress level will go down. Accordingly, person's diseases, he can alleviate the diseases. You can add more about it. Or you can say, a balanced approach needs to be induced, the third paragraph, for the employees. In other words, not only realistic targets for the employees, but also require mental workshops. Any idea you can write, but whatever the idea you write, you talk about how that idea can reduce the stress. Mental health workshops should be induced into their daily routine. For instance, multiple multinational companies have managed to introduce various softwares for their employees to schedule their work targets appropriately, accompanied with a regular morning motivational section for their mental health. Consequently, all this, along with the work schedules, all this will try to give a break and to release the stress. So in that way you can continue. I have just given a prototype. I have not written the third paragraph. Second paragraph I have written, I have showed you. Third paragraph I have written a prototype. So you can fill on top of this and comment in the comment section. Definitely we're going to come back and give the review. But hope you understood this was wrong. Out of the blue the ideas are coming and they are not justified. So in the exam also, out of the blue marks will come. You expect 8, it's going to be 6. So this conclusion, let's see, to conclude, the society is going through inevitable escalation of stress related illness. This essay discussed how long working hours and healthy lifestyle can be a source of stress. It was written only in the first line. Rest of it was not explained. Besides, it also suggests a solution to this problem is twofold. Balanced work life and healthy eating was not explained. How balanced work life will help, not written. The person wrote about devotion and dedication, third line. Not a balanced work life. Correct? How eating healthy can help, not written. In one line written, presentation on public health showed effective eating and good working hours. No, that's not the way you justify things. When you eat good, what is going to happen? When you eat at the right time, what is going to happen? Should explain more about it. So that will again not going to fetch a mark. Any doubts on this, do comment in the comment section. So task response 6.5, actually the ideas were good, but they were not articulated well enough. So because of that, task response will not be 7, it will be 6.5. Coherence quotient 6.5, grammatical range was good, but small mistakes like I showed you in the beginning, 6.5, and vocabulary decent enough, gonna be 7, but overall the person will get 6.5 only. Well, if you want your essays to be taken in this video, kindly do comment. For this video you can comment along with the question and your answer. If you are not picking that up, at least we review it in brief and give you the marks and give you an overview as to where you went wrong. But if the essay meets requirement, definitely we're going to pick that essay here and come back tomorrow for day 9 video series. Well, I really hope you've liked the video. Do share your appreciation with a thumbs up, and if not subscribed to this channel, I request you do subscribe in order not to miss any of the live updates. Saying this on a positive note, I'm gonna park it here. Tomorrow I'm gonna come back with day 9 of the video series, essay review and solutions with Nakul. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.